Yes, hello. So here we are today. What we have is we have some leaks in the exhaust. So we had to get them off the bike and take them to somebody who can weld and lock the holes. So I marked where the holes are in each of the exhaust pipes. So we have one down here, and some over here. That's the down exhaust pipe, and two in that one. So yeah, the exhaust leaks sometimes they cause the bike to have deceleration pops. So that could be our problem. Let's try to close them up and see how it performs after that. Yeah. So that is the bike. I think the other thing that I noticed that when I started the bike, the exhaust that is the one that's down, it is usually produces less heat than the one that is up. The case could be that the issue that is that this carburetor, when the bike is leaning on this stand, is the left carburetor, has more gas. So more gas, more power, more heat from the exhaust from this cylinder. So this cylinder produces less power when the bike is on its stand, on its left. So that could be the case. I think I should always try starting the bike when it's in the upright position, when it's being supported by some sort of brick there, so that it's on the same level, so that each of the carburetors supply gas to the cylinders at the same ratio. So that is what I should maybe that would give me even more easier cold startups. So yeah, he's trying to separate the exhaust so that we can take them to a welder. I can't use my welding machine because it will just probably just make holes into the exhaust. Edgar, omanyi ekintu ekirala kyendaba kati waliwo wowe otandika piki eno ng'eri ku standi eri, kubanga eno carburetor eno eri kono yebeera kubanga ebeera yewuza, ebeera erina amafuta mangi. Kati eno exhaust eyawe eno ebeera eyokya mangu, eyokya okusinga eno, ate ebeera efulumya omukka ogula erina amaanyi. Ekyo nakirabe kati ndowooza kibeera kirungi n'ogitandika nga eri ku level bweti. Ngenda kigezangako either ngituulangako nga ntandika oba nga ngiteeka bwe nti. Seeka kiba kikola sense. Exhaust irinamu ebituli awo. Inamu ebituli emuggenayo. All right. Let's go see, take the exhaust to the welder and let me see. So we grabbed one of the motorcycles taxis on our way to downtown to take the exhaust pipes to the welder, and we got caught up in the rain. The rain caught us on the road. Awo tokwasa ogwina okwetoloola tujja kunyweza kuliko kamooko So I'm still puzzled by this welding, the kind of welding these guys are using in Kampala, the local guys downtown. They colloquially call it gas welding. I don't know which gas welding they're talking about, because MIG uses gas, TIG uses gas, but this one is very different. Maybe somebody in the comments could explain further. What day?